the Mclaren 720S, a work of airflow, performance, and a benchmark in the automotive industry. Still amazing after being launched 3 years ago. Now, with a meaner look and visible design modifications, the Mclaren 765LT hopes to carry on the torch of the 720S. But can this car raise the bar in a year like 2021? Can this model live up to the hype? There's only one way to find out.
Hey, what's up everybody? I hope you're having a great day. My name is Daniel Obregon and welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're gonna be talking about one of my favorite McLarens for sale right now, the Mclaren 765LT, the long-tail version of the Mclaren 720S. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and turn on the bell notifications on so you don't miss any of the content that is gonna be released. Now, the Mclaren 765LT. This car is built upon aerodynamics, weight savings, and performance. So let's take a closer look at how McLaren made this car lighter, faster, and better than the Mclaren 720S. The Mclaren 765LT is built upon McLaren's second generation carbon monocoque, which ensures rigidity and safety. Also, as the 720S, it has 4 radiators to help cool off the clutch and the turbos. And as all LT versions, it has carbon fiber skirts, a massive carbon fiber diffuser, carbon fiber splitter, and for this version, it has carbon fiber fences behind the wheel to help dissipate turbulent air. It also features McLaren's first full titanium exhaust, and it has the same brake calipers as the Mclaren Senna. The 765LT features a laser-cut matrix specifically made for this model, which is to cool off the engine. McLaren believes that weight is the enemy of speed. This is why now all of the panels of the Mclaren 765LT have been made out of carbon fiber. Also, in the console, the armrest has been deleted, the windshield thickness has been reduced to the thickness of a credit card, and the rear glass now is made out of a polycarbonate composite to help reduce weight, making it 120 pounds lighter than its predecessor, the Mclaren 720S. Now, if we put into comparison the Mclaren 720S with the Mclaren 765LT, we can tell that the 765LT has 45 more brake horsepower over the 720S. It also has 590 pound-feet of torque, which is the same as the Mclaren Senna, and a 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds against the 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds of the Mclaren 720S. Now, on 0 to 124 miles per hour, it has 7 seconds against the 7.8 seconds of the Mclaren 720S. The top speed of the 765LT is 205 miles per hour against the 720S's 212 miles per hour. But because this car is 120 pounds lighter than the 720S and it produces 25% more downforce, we can tell that the 765LT will be the fastest car around the track. The Mclaren 765LT is the most extreme version of the Super Series from McLaren, and with a limited production of 765 units, a third of them coming to the United States, you can expect to pay a price of $358,000. So, as McLaren will say, speed does not come in cheap. Thank you so much again for joining me for this car video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. In the comments down below, let me know, would you pay the price for a Mclaren 765LT? Me personally, this is my favorite car, so I would 100%. Or what other car would you like me to make a video about? What other car is faster? Please drop me all of those comments in. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next time.